Hello everybody, my name is Caity. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys would like to know how to achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay, so as always, I am going to be starting off this look with my brows. So I'm going to be taking the Tati's Pro palette and I'm going to take the shade Edgy and use that to carve out my brows. I'm using an angled brush to do this, by the way. So with my brows, I do like to do the bottom line first just to kind of map out where they're going to be. And then I try and do the top as much as I can. So I don't know if you can see, it's easier to overdraw your eyebrow when your eyebrows are brushed up. So what I like to do is I like to brush them down. So that way you kind of get a idea of where your natural hair is. And don't worry about this bit if it's choppy or not perfect, because you can always clean this up with some concealer. Alrighty, so to carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Fair, and I'm just going to shape my eyebrows and clean up all the mistakes that I made. Concealing your brows just kind of brings everything together and just makes everything look a lot neater and a lot cleaner. So I'm going to be taking the Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this orangey shade, and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease. Alrighty, so for now, I'm just going to leave that eye look at that, and I'm going to be moving on to the face. I do not believe in primers whatsoever. I think they're a waste of money, that it doesn't make your makeup stay on any more than a moisturizer would. I usually just put some moisturizer on my face, but seeing as though I have already moisturized my face today, I am just going to be spritzing my face with the Australis makeup finishing spritz. So moving on to foundation, I am going to be taking the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation in the shade 120, and I'm just going to be buffing this into my face with a damp beauty blender. I fake tanned a little extra today, so I'm quite a few shades darker than what I am naturally on my face, so I am going to go a little darker than I usually would, but that's just so everything looks even. So now I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to brighten under my eyes first using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Banana and just placing that under my eyes. And I'm also just going to be placing that same banana shade on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be taking the shade Light Sculpt, and I'm going to be using that on my nose and on my cheekbone. The reason I am using cream contour today is because I do feel like cream contour does blend out to be quite natural, which is what we want. So to set everything in place, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match Minerals Mattifying Powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my face. So now it's time to bronze up the face. So I'm going to be taking the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow. I'm going to be putting this on my cheekbones and on my forehead, just to give my face more of a sun-kissed glow. So now we're going to move on to highlighting the face. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Finishing Spritz, and I'm going to be taking this big, thick fan brush. I don't know, I prefer this other than the other tiny ones that don't do anything. And I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Moonstone because I've run out of my favorite shades. So now I'm going to be moving on to lashes. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I literally love this mascara so much. It's so affordable and it's so good. Alrighty, so you could just leave it here and call this complete and just have an everyday wearable natural kind of glam, but I'm also going to show you how you can like spice it up, you know. So I'm going to be taking the NYX lipstick in, I don't know what shade this is actually, it just says matte mauve, I don't know, help me. And I'm just going to put this on the outer parts of my lips. I use these darker shades mainly as a contour shade because I like to make my lips look more plump and voluminous. Okay, so to make this look a little bit more natural and a bit more on the wearable side, I'm going to take the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Push Up, and I'm just going to put this in the middle of my lips. And to have a bit more of a glossier lip, I'm going to be taking the Coco Chanel Rogue Gloss in 774, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips.
Hello everyone. Caity from the future here. Just realized I completely forgot to tell you what lashes I was using, but they are the Eyeliner lashes in Bubble.
Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the little bell notification while you're at it so you're notified every time I post. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!